gotta worry about them commas cause my cake up. You can run into my life on that favor. Cause I promise when we step out you'll be famous. One day I need that grind what the name does. That's when we pull up all angles.
Looking at the truth, the money never lie, no.
I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one. Got the money in the gun, now you wanna ride now. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one, yeah. When you take them over, how to imitate us. Don't let the only real one intimidate you.
See you watching your
Anytime now. I'm the one, yeah. Oh, eh, oh, oh, eh, oh.
I'm the one.
Oh, eh, oh, oh, eh, oh.
I'm the only one.
Oh, eh, oh, eh, oh. I'm the one.
Oh, oh,
I'm the only one.
okay, though.
In the picture with that new
She smell. She like the price. She see the ice and make her
Did
bitch
you
melt.
melt? When I met her in the club, I asked her who she felt. Then she went and put her booty on that Gucci belt. You don't got no label.
She say she want
Bottle.
bottles. She ain't got no table. She don't got no
Cable. She don't got no cable.
We just watching Netflix.
She ain't got no cable. Okay, though. Look, I'm a bluffer.
She want a nigga that put
If that's only me, say it okay with me. Say okay, though.
looking at the truth, the money never lie, no.
I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one. Got the money in the gun, now you wanna ride now. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one, yeah. Can you see them over how to imitate us? Don't let the only real one intimidate you.
See you watching your
Anytime now. I'm the one, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. I'm the one. I'm the only one. I'm the one. I'm the only one. Looking at the one, what did you looking at the one? Under the Dutch, yeah, my best is yet to come. I've been looking for somebody, I've been looking for somebody.
Don't make me catch a body.
And I'm hitting
everybody.
Oh my God,
She hit me up all day,
ain't no response.
blow my heart, that's like turning gold to bronze.
Roll my eyes.
And when she on the molly, she a zombie. She think we caught him Bonnie, but it's more like Whitney Bobby.
God forgive me,
Don't you ever listen,
I'm
I'm
a
a
legend.
straight up at the crescent, fly your bait down for the essence. But the person I know calling when that mama spinning records, who like they ain't winning records.
So reflecting on my essence,
Yeah, you
looking at the truth, the money never lie. No.
I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one, early morning in the gun, now you wanna ride now. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one, yeah. Can you sick of all those other imitators? Don't let the only real one
Intimidate you. Anytime, yeah, I'm the one, yeah. Oh, 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 oh,
I'm the one.
oh, 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 oh. Yes, it's a beautiful day, the first day of March 2024. One of the reasons why Neman Buchalo Chukwu Okike Abiama, onye mele the possible, now for this new month.
Don't you know, girl? Don't you know, girl? I am the one.
And we have a lot of things to celebrate this morning. Yatago because no na nugodo ni ketafo today be birthday, yeah. Don't you know? The one for you. I'm the one. Yatago otu aka isi abata na birthday splashing ko tutu an ebe na the 103.5 FM. Okwa no mo nwa ka na akpọ metal.
No, when for class.
Yes, Igbo, ayegbo ko dize ko si ade this morning.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Akụkọ oti kpoju. Onwe a young girl na jo ex-husband, yeah, ex-short husband. Yotago onwe ya gwapu n'ime that short, the very important. Ona jo or because need the short, our relationship, our marriage you were the very short. No was in Ogazi Kosi cigar on a very good day. He original joke ya man oga accept and did it all this time. A lot of things to talk about this morning. Yotago akụkọ oti kpoju. But right about the one who made it possible for us to see this beautiful day, the first day of March 2024. Today will a great day because now I want a lot of people to celebrate this morning. At the same time, today is also, the day United Nations AMAC, Zero Discrimination Day. So we want to respect that. Yes, it's a good day, you know, and Otaka Isama Batana today, you know, this particular edition of Birthday Splash. Today is also World Sea Grass Day. Yotago United Nations Namak Punka too. And the reason this Zero Discrimination Day about, you know, the patients of HIV. And then I suffer from HIV on a very good. And apart from that, too, we hear about segregation, you know, tribalism and all of that. I am able to see into consideration the fact that we don't have to discriminate against another fellow, like another person, a human being, just like the way we are. Akụkọ Otikpoju, a lot of things in the Nigeria and keep as well. Even the president of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, na Joseph NLC, Ajujuna, Joseph Akezi, Nkebona, within 9 months, Nyambo president, just strike anyhow. Also, you cannot intimidate me, okay? But with everything in the country, we should know that it's time for us to begin to tap into the possibilities or the opportunities that we have online. And one of the ways I illustrate here, this book on Ebo, like this book, if you check it out on Amazon by yours faithfully, Martin But the thing is to showcase. Now, I gave me video too on a very good day. A lot of our people cannot get on Amazon. Man, I will start from somewhere. Akụkọ Otikpoju. Amazon ka ịlụ ọdụnụ. But this is also to remind you that your business could get better. You know, you post it on places where you get a lot of customers. Just at the 103.5 FM. Kai wale Italy check out that njaka. Upper this morning, I want to celebrate and right about it. We are getting into it, but this is to remind you that this party right here is your party. Get involved. Send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 080-9666-1035 with name and number of the person you want to celebrate, and it is celebration galore up in here. Then slow motion 080-9666-1035. Join us. Let's celebrate you this morning. And the first person I get celebrated no Toto Awebolo, the man that I call Justin Bieber, Canadian singer and songwriter, born March 1st, 1994. On your one, I go look at that. I'm the one. Today will his birthday, so we want to celebrate him this morning. Happy birthday! Utako said this morning. Today is also the birthday of Booker T, wrestler, American professional wrestler. Yotago, here one soccer na WWE, man or turn down. So we want to celebrate Booker T this morning. You know, he was born March 1st, 1965 in Houston. So we say happy birthday to Booker T. Happy birthday. Yes, it's unfolding right about it. Get involved. Let's celebrate you as well. Get around you, or birthday or anniversary. We are here to celebrate with you right about it. Yes, today is also the birthday of a great journalist. We're talking about Don Lemon. American journalist and news anchor. They follow CNN back in the days before when you also on CNN. Yes, he was born, you know, March 1st, 1966. So we say happy birthday to Don Lemon. Happy birthday. Yes, it's unfolding right up back at Tapo. Can you finish channel? Send there the number, the name. Kai celebrate ya boy and Ketapo. Yes, today is also the birthday of Lupita Ngono, Mexican Kenyan actress and film director. Obone Mabonya in Kumakia on a very good day. Obone watch the movie about Black Panther. Oya Abo Nkawanya, Yatago, and Abuasa on a very good day. Man, I want case choice if you're turn up Bobo, Muesbuto, can now on a very good day. So this morning we want to celebrate that she was born March 1st, 1983 in Mexico City. So we say happy birthday to her. Happy birthday. Yes, Utaku said that this morning. Get involved. Let's celebrate you too.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Yes, I have a Tabago one jacket for celebrating in Nigeria today, and since start our first day of March 2024, I never do the why I got march on into glory. Now, Jesus. Amen. Yes, kind of batana jacket I feel it yesterday. Yatago I know about maka pastor na abo sika hapeli I piligide from Epeli I ufu pastor na yatago butu ufu pastor at the end of the day. Sad story, but on when you know that bam na mother na abo biakute gese ka appreciate the word of God to you in the process. Of when na say back and back take jena sata Genesis 7 sigi jebe na Deuteronomy. Before Malian na na say my friend ki na was emu like that. Oblo preaching kai bele eba. Before Malian na na okwangu na ebuzi mother na about go a very good deal. That is the fact. No na phone bunaka no na Bible bunaka the best Bible na simply right here. A lot of things to talk about, my brother. Yotago Nkiba as well. We'll get into all of that, but right about Fundua, let's celebrate. You know, legend didn't celebrate it today. The man they call Sir Victor Owaifu. Yotago need to put respect to that name. And we are talking about Guitar Boy. Yotago, if you see mommy water, never run away. This guy now since and the mommy water, he also had a from a bono. Makahama way, no other boss on a very good day. So we are talking about Victor Owaifu. Today is his birthday. He was born March 1st, 1941 in Benin City. So we say happy birthday to him. Happy birthday. It's unfolding Ketafo. If Rokosia unfold, get involved. Let's celebrate you too. Kanna Wagodi. Because right about now, the next person I celebrate here, well, below the man and that, but most times go see, yeah, be fell on a very good day. Nobody the sacrifice I can on nice sacrifice can you today be birthday, yeah, you know, we're talking about Kanayo today, his birthday, he was born March 1st, 1962. We celebrate him this morning. Happy birthday. Yes, for those who don't know, Kanayo is a Nigerian actor, you know, a barrister, a lot of things all on a very good day. So we celebrate him this morning. Yes, I didn't again today will birthday Ndike and right about Ketafo. I celebrate Nukumado, Abari, the senator. March 1st, 1955 in Aba. So we say happy birthday to him. Happy birthday. Yes, this is one politician who is always outspoken, who always speaks the mind of the people. So we celebrate him this morning. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy Today is also the birthday of Aliyu Wamako, you know, a Nigerian politician born March 1st, 1953. So we say happy birthday to him. Happy birthday on our power on food. Get involved. Let's celebrate you because right about it up for you. We're about to move on. Money lote, no, the splash of joy, splash of happiness, splash of gain, bagam, bagam, bagam inside somebody's account this morning. Right about Fundua. As we proceed to give you what you need, satisfaction, guaranteed. It's time. Let's get ready to rumble. Akụkọ oti kpoju yotago nke ikpeazụ ife na-eme Naija yotago gbaziri anya a lot of people na-ajụzi ka ife na-eme nke ikpeazụ asef a na-enyekwuzi ndị mmadụ appointment asị mfa anyị achọrọ yotago adị na-eme on a very good day ife ka nkụ a lot of things to talk about on a very good day and we are getting into all of that right about Fundua. Yes, akụkọ nke izi anyị ji webata n'ụtụtụ a wee bụrụ akụkọ gbasara, you know, a World Bank staff enyelu appointment ka ọ bịa bụrụ, you know, CBN director. Yotago ya bụ the man, he goes by the name Urum Kalu Eke. Wee dekwa yotago kpọkwa na phone si biko si gwa Mr. President na ya ma mbịanwụ na ọlụ aghachi enyi ya ga conflict with ọlụ ọ na-alụ na World Bank na ọlụ ọ na-alụ gbasikwala other private companies na ya mala ka ya esi wee ihe dị na ya so si biko si lapụ si onye ọzọ ga-alụ ya bụ ọlụ and ka a na-ekpọpụtasị the names of nominees yotago during the confirmation of the nominee former governor of Abia State Senator Orji Kalu told the Senate that the person who is his constituent had called him on the phone to reject the offer, noting that it will conflict with his present job as a consultant with the World Bank or World Bank kind of work with. Man, I have gone a situation whereby, you know, Okonjo Iweala was called or Lapunka, but Atabia help her out. Kezi if a man, one of my cake is a phone kakai when I got a still.
Well, I am already feminine, but I'm going here, actually, where the all for now, because not for now. Maybe no one can later decide the one that's another appointment again. Yeah, or quality take it up. But don't feel like maybe also see where they get that. No one they really confident. Okay, again, yeah. And my also always wedding and also they see where we can work the easy work where we men go when because when we also carry a rapon card, America more kaya go. Feel that I'm on the tarot, okay. But I'm guessing that now also maybe not here costly, but I may feel like no to work considered. But I'll probably not the
no, yeah, but the main course
for now. I'll probably not some other time. Yes, because now I think I were for here was Saloya Bodu Juliana. To understand not to go to World Bank, even also my hand all over.
Okay, the thing is, I may be on a nine and if I got where Cordial CBN governor. I said, I director, Alapum from governor, Jebe director, also because senator, all Jinaka, say my family phone a very good day. Ojiwa Yotago Sena because someone team go see here from World Bank to the director CBN K me bro promotion not demotion. No I am melody man just in Yakajiwa Tidugudu what was it for CBN governor Amazon I against it. Anyway, it is unfolding right about Ketafo Yotago Ebataze Ewa feel on Henina Kosa unfold right about now. Yes, akụkọ ọzọ anyị ji webata n'ụtụtụ a wee bụrụ akụkọ, you know, a great musician yana Olamide so back in the days where wetala it is our boys Kolole, take a look. Kolole, Obola Belefe. We're talking about AK, Yotago AKA, the South African rapper, Ababu, you know, like was last year, Ababu, yeah. And now investigation naga on, and the investigation will go to an extent, for police in South Africa, a mega arrest of, you know, the AP label the suspects to the crime at the end of the day. So, court arraigns 5 suspects over murder of South African rapper, AKA. So, the proceedings which were broadcast live because all to South Africa, say, TVs, but enough. Hopefully, during the days of Pistorius, you have to go and be in a court and go see us. So when the first 5 walked into the dock, they stood looking downward with their faces covered. The prosecutor read out 10 charges, including murder, conspiracy to commit murder, attempted murder, unlawful possession of firearms and ammunition. AKA, you know, was gunned down outside a restaurant in coastal city of Durban a year ago, and Obosia Oboso they could celebrate a birthday, and they now came there and shot him. One I take his phone when I got on still.
Well, all is so sad that now I caught so life this young man. Ogun with so much to give. Better be yes, it's not as if no mistake or anything like that. So Malakita ejidego ha akapa ebeyabo ibe ọ dịka mkpa anyị na-value ndụ mmadụ anyị chetara m nke Lucky Dube onye egwu amakwa ama like that just like that na-emero nta na-emero anything so aghọtara m ebe life otu ndị mmadụ si afụ ụwa kịta to an extent na ha da aghọtazi ndụ mmadụ otu ọ dị na ọ bụrụ ha nyere mmadụ life so na ọ bụrụ ha nwa kwesịkwalụ yes. So what was the guy now? What I order on my at all, order on my cha. Just imagine. So sad.
Okay, all go go yesterday and Keta I make pension and justice is served. Ka esimaya be fem had it was simple, but now there will be more. One of on a very good day, does it? So it's unfolding right about now, and in Kagabun Kendam Madgeju and I say a lot of firearms in South Africa, so Nigeria first of all allow legalize you have to go firearms for people who to else no when a Nigerian keep as well. You have to go because of the state of the nation. Mane Bataze, if I feel on a Yabaku Kosa on food right about it for. Akụkọ ọzọ anyị ji wee mabata n'ụtụtụ a wee bụrụ akụkọ ndị na-eje achọ ịghọtago their better half na social media platforms ndị na-eje achọpa na ụmụ these sites gasị ịghọtago a na-ada achat a na-ada emebe ụmụ ife ebe a ka ị eje chọta onye ngịnị nwere ike ịga on a date and all of that. So o wee bụ na ọ nwere individuals like iji nwayọ just post na ha nọ na that page. Ndị mmadụ pụtazie fụfa there, he hook up with those ladies, qualify na ụdị na ha na-eje na outing and all of that. And ndị apụtakwazịa na ọ bụrụ igbu egbu ka ha nọ at the end of the day. Mana ifefa na-eji adọpụtasị ndị ha na-egbu bụ ije tinye na that platform na ha na-achọ ịghọtago nwaanyị ha ga out and all of that. Ụmụ ihe niile a so no ifefa ji wee na-akpọta ụmụ nwaanyị fa na-akụgbusi. Now, but the thing is that now they are chopper that now these individuals now have a particular page now something about my chat. Now that my chat kahano me hook up like they said I got the ladies from my chat, which is a hookup app. I just talked to them and that I want to hook up with them. Whenever a client contacted me, they needed human body parts. No hana mefeje go na hana chonwa and all of that. If you Malian men only go for hookup from hookup between Malian men of Bluzy Webu at the end of the day. They will call me that they need they need body parts, and I will go to the application and chat up the ladies for hookup. I don't know the ladies. We don't have any conversation. I only chat them up on the app. I ask if they are available and we negotiate on amount they want to collect. And then he says, when we reach an agreement, I will send my address to them and they will come over to me at Atan. I'll say I will pick them up and then call my clients. At the end of the day, before the fact no body parts. They don't usually tell me the amount they will give. At times, they will pay me 30,000 naira. And give me 40,000 naira. Ọkwụ na afụna yọtago na mmadụ kịtazi na 40,000 naira kazi mkpa karịa mmadụ. Nwanne m nwaanyị biko ka ihe nwee ikwu na nke a ka anyị wee na-agakwa n'iru still.
Well, akụkọ a iwe ghọta na ihe na-eme n'ụwa, to an extent that just like that. According to their story, ha na-akọwa that between September and now February na ha egbugoli mmadụ 7, ụmụ nwaanyị 7. And then ha nwere otu ha si welu eme about the whole thing, so coordinated that ya nwa bụ onye nke ọrụ ya bụ ịkpọta o just chat aha up ha epitie price ọ gwa ha bịa ha bịazie ebe ahụ eduruzie